Okay, the edge is here, goes there. So you just put that in between, press the button.
Oh, okay, that's simple.
But then when it goes 360, you have to press the button again.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't stop.
It doesn't stop automatically, right?
Okay.
Vincent. No.
No, not yours.
See, when it did that, that was,
Oh,
and then you can just do that.
okay, then.
And just pick it up.
Okay.
And then it's in between.
And now it's done.
Right, so it's not, there's no sharp edge.
Isn't that recycling?
Electric can opener. It is called Kitchen Mama. Is the
That's
brand?
what happens if you go check.
Kitchen Mama. Yeah, it's really cool.